Hey everyone, this is GCP Decode. In this video, we will discuss the solution for this lab. After starting the lab, open your Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Then come on to the task number 1, copy this name VM instance, and then paste it here in search box of Google Cloud Console. And open this first option VM instance in new tab. Now click on this create instance. Then come back to live instruction page. And you will get this table in point number 3 of task number 1. Copy this name, paste it here, and for reason I have to select US East 4, it's already selected, and for zone US 4, US East 4B. So select this zone. Then for series, select E2, which is already selected, and for machine type E2 is already selected. Then come on to this OS and storage and click on this change. Then make sure that Divine is already selected. Then for version, click on this version and select this first option. Then click on select. Then come on to this networking section and click on this first option, allow HTTP traffic. Then click on this create. Now wait for green tick. So we have got the green tick here and we are done with the task number 1. You can simply click on check my progress for task number 1. You will get the green tick here. So we have got the green tick. Now let's move to task number 2. Copy this name from point number 2 of task number 2. Paste it here in search box. And open this first option in new tab. Now click on this enable. Now wait for some time. Okay. Now come back to live instruction page. Copy this name, file store from point number 3 of task number 2 and paste it here in search box. And open this first option, file store in new tab. And now click on this create instance. And then come back to lab instruction page. Scroll down a little bit, you will get this table. So simply copy this instance ID, paste it here in instance ID box. Then scroll down, select basic. Then from storage type, select HDD and make sure that there is one. And for region, come back to lab instruction page. You will get your region and zone here. For me, it's US East 4, which is already selected, and for zone B. Okay. Now for this network, click on this network box and then click on this default. Then make sure that this checkbox is selected, grant access to all client on VPC network. Then simply scroll down and click on this create. Okay, wait. Okay, sorry. So for file sharing name, we have to paste this name there. Copy this and scroll down. You will get this. Paste that name here, file sharing name. Then scroll down and click on this create. Now wait for some time. Now after creating this, we have to wait for green tick here, and this will take almost 5 to 6 minutes. So wait for 5 to 6 minutes, you will get the green tick here. Okay, so after waiting for 5 to 6 minutes, you will get the green tick here. So after getting the green tick, we are completed with the task number 2. You can simply click on check my progress for task number 2. Okay, so we have got the green tick here on task number 2, and we have got the green tick on task number 1 also. So we are done with this lab. Now you can simply end the lab from here. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. And if you like the tutorial window, click on the like and subscribe button.